You have most likely heard of the amazing health benefits of raspberries, but did you know the leaves of raspberries also provide incredible health benefits? One great way to obtain these great health benefits of raspberry leaves is to consume raspberry leaf tea. It has been shown that raspberry leaf tea is packed with antioxidants and provides good levels of nutrition. Now, let's discuss the tremendous health benefits of consuming raspberry leaf tea regularly. First, raspberry leaf tea can help to improve overall digestion and treat unwanted digestive ailments. It can help to stimulate muscle contractions, which is especially helpful throughout the digestive process and can help food move through the digestive tract. This allows raspberry leaf tea to relieve constipation, decrease bloating, and ease cramps. It also provides mild laxative effects. Consuming raspberry leaf tea can also help to boost our immune system naturally. This is often attributed to its high levels of vitamin C and other potent antioxidants that can reduce free radicals and other unwanted pathogens which can damage the immune system. Raspberry leaf tea is also great for boosting immunity since it can help with stimulating the production of white blood cells. Regular consumption of raspberry leaf tea is great for increasing overall heart health and decreasing risk factors associated with heart disease. The high levels of potassium and antioxidants can help to regulate blood pressure levels. Also, it can help to promote the health of our blood vessels and arteries while reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Raspberry leaf tea's high levels of anti-inflammatory compounds are also helpful in this regard. Lastly, raspberry leaf tea can help to promote the health and look of our skin, while also treating unwanted skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. It also contains many important and essential skin-healthy nutrients such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and many antioxidants that can reduce the signs of aging and improve skin tone. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.